Before creating a countdown with a fire effect, let's first make a basic 10-second countdown. Open the CapCut app, then select New Project and choose a black background. Once you're in the CapCut editing menu, select the aspect ratio and change the format to landscape. Tap the black background and zoom in until it goes beyond the screen. Next, select Text. Tap Add Text and type the countdown number 10. Then choose a font you like and click Done. After that, tap the 10 text, select Animation, pick any animation you like, and click Done. If the animation looks good to you, the next step is to create 10 duplicates of the countdown. Tap the 10 text, then choose Duplicate, and drag each duplicate to align it one after another with the previous text. After all the text is aligned, change the number 10 into a countdown in order. Once everything is done, export it and save it to your device. This is the result of the basic countdown, which we will turn into various editing assets in CapCut to be sold on Adobe Stock and other micro-stock agencies. Step 2. Go back to the basic countdown project. Now we're going to create a blue shadow version of the basic countdown for merging. Tap the text, select Style, choose any color you like except white to create the shadow, and change all the colors to be the same one by one. Once everything is finished, export it. Now we have both the basic countdown and the blue countdown for the shadow. The next step is to import both countdowns into CapCut. Now tap the white countdown, then select Overlay, and drag the white countdown to align with the blue countdown underneath. Tap the white countdown, select Splice, and choose Filter. Then adjust both countdowns on the screen by zooming in to create a shadow effect. Once it looks neat and clean, export it. This is the result of merging the two basic countdowns. This countdown is already good enough to serve as a base material for editing various concepts and ideas into dozens of designs. Now, we're going to combine this shadow countdown with a fire effect, making it ready to be sold on Adobe Stock and micro-stock agencies.